Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Gmail not receiving verification code. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your Chrome browser. Now, tap on the search bar and search for "Is Gmail down?" From the result, go to the first link as shown here, which is downdetector.com. From this page, you'll get to know if Gmail is down. Because Gmail may occasionally have downtime or issues due to services or maintenance, you'll be able to get notified right here. And as you can see, there is currently no issues with Gmail. So now for the next step, close your web browser. After that, you need to open up your phone settings. From here, scroll down and tap on Apps. After that, go to App Management. Once it loads up, search and go to Messages from here. And then tap on Permissions. So here, scroll down and make sure everything is allowed. If it's not, then tap on them and then select Allow. This way, you need to select SMS as well. Make sure this option is always allowed. So once you're done making sure everything is allowed, you can go ahead and check your Gmail app. And if it still doesn't work, there is one last thing you can try out. For that, close your Settings app. Now press and hold your power button. And after that, tap on Restart. Once you restart your phone, your Gmail app should be working just fine. So that is how you can fix Gmail not receiving verification code. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.